Uh, Good day, viewers. We continue our mathematics class. We have Jamb question on indices. So please, if you find this video interesting and educating, please help me like and share. Please, I beg you, help me like and share. So let's do well and solve this question on indices Jamb together. So without using tables, evaluate 343 all raised power 1 over 3 multiplied by 0.14 all raised power minus 1 multiplied by 25 all raised power minus 1 over 2. So we have the answer to the options given to us. This is question under Jamb 2002 question 2. 2002 question 2. So how are we going to solve this? We have now we have these are the laws of indices. We have the multiplication law, we have the division law, we have the law of the power of 0, we have the product of the power, we have the power of negative, which is going to give you the inverse of the number. We have what? The power of fraction. The 2 is power of fraction, where you have the denominator in power forms the root. So the denominator forms the root, just like we have b here. B here is the root, and b here is the denominator in power forms the root, and then the numerator in power retains itself as the numerator. We have x raised power, which is x. So now we have this as d. So you can attempt this using the principle that the laws of indices, and then you can simplify it as well. Solution to the questions that we have before us. So we have what? 343 all raised power 1 over 3 multiplied by 0.14 all raised power negative of 1 multiplied by 25 all raised power what? Negative of what? 1 over 2. So we have what? The denominator in power forms the root, just like we have in law 6. So where we have the denominator here is a, so we have it as a root x. So the denominator here is 3, so that is cube root of what? Cube root of 343 multiplied by, let's convert this decimal into fraction. So we have this one as what? 0.14. Let me put it here. 0.14 can be converted to fraction. This one 1 2. So that is what? 1 2. That is 14 divided by what? 100. So we have what? Open brackets 14 divided by what? 100. So raised power minus 1 multiplied by, we have what? We make use of what? This law, where we have the negative in power is 1 over, gives the inverse of the number. So the negative in power gives the inverse of the number, which we have it as 1 over 25 all raised power what? 1 over 2. So what do we have here? So we have the cube root of 343 is 7. How did I get to know that? That is 7 times 7 times 7. We have 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times 7. 7 times 9 is 63. Right? 3 keep 6. 7 times 4, 28. 28 plus 6, that is 34. So we have what? The cube root of 343 is what? Is 7. You just pick one out of the expression. So we have this one to be 7. So we have what? Multiplied by the power of negative is the inverse. So we have just the power of negative here is the inverse of x raised power a. So the power of negative is the inverse. The inverse of 14 over 100 is 100 over 14. So all raised power what? All raised power 1 multiplied by 1 over the denominator in power will form the root, and the denominator in power here is 2, just like we have a root x. So this one is 2, which will give us what? Square root of what? Square root of 25. And then the denominator is 1, so raised power 1. So if you like, we can put it. So we have what? This one will give us 7 multiplied by what? 100 over, so this one, if you divide this one 2 can go. We have 7, and 2 here is what? Is 50. So we have 50 over what? Over 7 multiplied by the square root of 25 is 5. 1 over 5. So we have 7 here 1, 7 here 1. We have 5 here 1, 5 here 10. So and we have what? The numerator, we have 1 times 10 times 1 divided by 1 times 1, which is 1. So we have 1 times 10 times 1 is 10. So our answer here to this question is 10. And we can have that in option B. So I advise us to attempt the drill. And then whatever answer we get and our workings, we can put it, we can paste it on the comment section. Thank you.